What's good, YouTube? My name is Joven, and Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with some more bullish content for you guys. I'm back with another banger of a video for you guys. In this one, Tectonic, we're going to be covering any tectonic info that we have for today. We're looking very bullish today on the tectonic chart. We are up 6.8% on the 24-hour, and things are just going up. Things are just growing for Tonic. If you're interested in me breaking down Tonic in this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We are at 1,800 subscribers on the channel. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. Also be sure to check out my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts as well. Now if you guys can see from right here, we're sitting at 30,329 people that have Tonic on their watch list. That number just keeps growing every time I cover Tonic. It means that the community is growing. There's a lot more activity within the Tectonian army. We are taking over this space one step at a time, and you could clearly see it with how bullish this chart is. Even if we compare it to the big boy, look at this. We're moving up with BTC right now. As Bitcoin moves up, Tonic is moving up. Tonic is literally following the big dog, Bitcoin, the top market mover, to a T. As BTC moves up, Tonic is following. Look at this. It's basically similar charts right here that we have, guys. That is bullish because when Bitcoin is making new all-time highs, Tonic will outperform Bitcoin and make even more X's whenever we go into the full bull cycle, whenever we get to that huge blow off top parabolic move. So right now, Tonic is looking great, guys. I don't know what else to say. It's looking great, man. It's performing so well compared to a lot of other altcoins, right? It's just performing so well. $26 million in market cap, 296k in 24-hour trade volume. We take a look at the Tonic Explorer. You could also see that the addresses of Tonic are increasing every day. Now we're at 36,474 addresses. Only a matter of time until we are at 40,000 addresses, and then 50,000, 100,000 addresses. The transfers that take place constantly. There's always activity on the Cronos ecosystem, and I wouldn't be surprised if majority of it is from interacting with Tonic, right? Obviously VVS Finance as well, but there's always recent transfers for Tonic on the Cronos scan or the Cronos Explorer. Tonic, guys, total borrow $245 million. Great innovative DeFi project. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and accessing instant-backed loans. Instant-backed loans. Very unique concept. I really do believe, global elites, hedge funds, larger institutions will make use of the Tectonic utility, and we'll see that market share for Tectonic go very far in the future. Savings, instant loans, and a number of different things. That is the top priority for the Tonic team. Audited smart contracts, insurance fund coming soon, and it is open source, right? Using that decentralized aspect. That's what DeFi stands for, decentralized finance. We take a look at DeFi Llama. $249 million in TVL for Tonic, sitting at a $26 million market cap. Tonic has so much TVL. This is super bullish, right? I don't think most of you are taking notice of this, because DeFi Llama is a place where a lot of people go to see upcoming projects that have great TVL. The whales love to swim in highly liquid projects. Once they're super liquid, the whales love to swim in those type of projects. So for Tonic to have this amount of TVL, it's a whale's playground, guys. definitely a whale's playground. And as that TVL continues to grow, expect Tonic to grow as well. We take a look at the stock market. As you guys can see, we are super bullish today for the stock market open, up 1.58%, and a number of other stocks are following as well. This is great for the crypto market because the crypto market is so correlated the stock market. When the stock market is doing well, the crypto market is doing well also. The NDX up 2.5%. That's the NASDAQ 100, guys. Great stuff, great everything. Green day today for the stock market open, and I do expect us to continue being green throughout the rest of the week. From Got the Sauce, good morning family. Today 1 billion Tonic is 245 USD. How much will it be worth in 2024? How much will it be worth in 2024? Let me get your predictions in the comment section. From Lewis, Tonic is continuing to punch through resistance and holding strong compared to previous breakouts in July and October last year. Also up nearly 200% from its lowest, guys. That is what I love to see, right? This is what you have when you have a great altcoin project, a great utility altcoin. It made new, it's making new highs. It's moving up as time progresses. This is looking like a bull run chart, right? Making moves up, minor corrections, and then just continues up further and breaking through all the previous resistances. You know, we'll see how far it goes, because if this truly is the start of the bull market as a whole, we won't see, you know, $10 million in market cap. If now say something does happen to bring us lower, we could see that again. But if that doesn't happen, we're just going to be continuing up further from here. From fact checker, Tectonic has been trending lately. It has caught the attention of new investors. 68 likes, 28 retweets, and we could see Tonic continuing up further and further. Tenzo Yak need to be listed on Coinbase. Out of pocket, I wonder what it'll take to get the attention of other major centralized exchanges. Mr. Relaxation Yahoo and, you know, other investors super bullish, super happy about what we see in the Tonic price action. It's great, man. From Shannon, hello good people, Tonic is off to another daily climb, but what you can afford to stake and watch it climb like us over 160% this month. It is moving steady daily, a fabulous sign on growing popularity and stability. And, you know, shilling out to the Shiba army to join the Tonic fam. I wouldn't be mad at that. From Zigomatic, Tonic exploding once again. Just a thought, but should we consider a rainbow chart analysis like Bitcoin? Interesting. So far I'm speechless and waiting for a huge retrace. Okay, was Tonic Fi truly a sleeping giant? Hey, a lot of people are waiting for that. A few people are waiting for that correction. We'll see what happens, guys, because if this is the start of the bull market and Crypto Capo is wrong, I don't know if you watch my previous video with Crypto Capo trending saying this is a bull trap, right? If the bears are wrong and all the bears that want lower are wrong, we're just gonna continue up further. We're just gonna see minor corrections, right? We're just gonna see minor corrections, and it's just gonna be a steady climb to the upside. From Crypto Rover, like for example right here, Bitcoin Bull Run 4.0. If this is truly accurate, there's not gonna be another entry point of like a $10 million market cap for Tonic. If this is accurate, like I said, nothing is guaranteed, right? You know, a lot of people in crypto are you know, have times when they make wrong calls, right? So this is why I say DCA you just DCA and accumulate. If it goes lower, you DCA it in, it doesn't matter. But if it continues higher, you're still okay because you DCA it in. That's the smartest way to do it, right? This was around 2014 to 2018, and then from 2018, 1 year of bear market, 3 years of bull market, right to 2021. I remember this cycle top, man. It was a fun time. And then from 2022 to to 2023, from 2021 to 2023, we've already seen 1 year of bear market. Are we gonna see another 3 years of bull market? What is that saying? History doesn't always repeat itself, but it does rhyme, guys. So if this is the start of the bull run, hold on to your seatbelts, guys. Buckle up. It's gonna be crazy. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate all the support. If you made it to this far in the video, you enjoyed it, you hold Tonic, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.